This is how to work a make one right. So a make one right is an increase. You'll usually find make one right and make one lefts when you're working right or left leaning decreases. My favorite way to remember them is that right has 5 letters in it, and so it's worked from back to front, and you work the front leg of the stitch, and left has 4 letters in it, which means that you work from front to back and work into the back leg of the stitch. This is the make one right. So you've been working across your row, you get to the make one right, and you're going to kind of pull your work open and see this little bar that's hanging out there. You can either scoop that bar with your right hand needle, as I've done here, and place it onto your left hand needle, like so. Notice how my needle is starting in the back of the work and then coming out to the front. So you could either pick it up like that, or you can swivel your left hand needle so that you're just scooping up that bar with that needle alone, whichever way feels more comfortable for you. From here, I like to use my index finger on my left hand to kind of pull that stitch forward, creating this little bit of slack in the front here. So it was sitting like this on my needle. I kind of pull it forward because now I need to knit into the front leg of this stitch since it is a make one right. So needles going from back to front. I'm going to give myself that little bit of slack and insert the needle into that front leg of the stitch, wrap the yarn around and pull up my loop. Make sure that they're not too tight or else you'll run into problems down the road, but that is a make one right, a right leaning increase. So one more time, I've reached the part where it says make one right. This is the bar I'm going to use to make one right. It's easy to find if you kind of pull your needles apart from each other. You'll expose that bar, and then I'll just place it onto my needle so that the needle's going from the back of the work to the front of the work. Pull that stitch forward just a little bit so I have some slack so that I can insert my needle into the front leg of the stitch, wrap my yarn around, and carefully pull up a stitch, making sure it's not too tight. And there we have it, make one right increase.